up to where we can grab the caravans. Bring me the caravans. It has that mode have some version but different content, so either you or mine modes are modified. Mine are clear, just check, but don't worry about it, just me. It could be that during the time that I'm playing there was a mod update. Is that an option? We're gonna start the test with this one. So we're gonna go fill fluid tank. Empty the fluid tank. You're gonna go and eat some food. This needs to be set higher. Save interrupt. Go. Now both of these two caravans managed to get the goodies over. So let's hope this starts to work as intended. Okay, so here, what do we get out? Sand, rich dust, steam. Oh, we still need to get rid of the steam. No, actually, it's a closed loop. Should not happen. Yeah, I agree with that. Should not happen. So sulfuric acid. Do we have enough sulfuric acid? We do. Oh, we need more barrels. Let's do that. Let's do that. Oh, I like the way this works. So, fill fluid tank. Is this sulfuric acid? Yes. Empty fluid tank. Food. Did Pi people give you some zip to download to fix caravan issues, or maybe they messed up when publishing fix? Oh, they messed up the caravans, good. There could be. Wait, let me save. Nope. I didn't get anything. I was just uploading the way that I just did. We'll also set up a caravan for barrels. So we're gonna add an outpost. Sulfuric acid. Here. We're gonna empty cargo, then load items until caravan has. Tool, put it Acid barrels. So you empty ones, then you go empty cargo, add outpost. This kinda sucks. Fill cargo. So this will fill them up with empty barrels. Drop the full ones, get the empty ones out, grab the empty ones. So this should start working. We're gonna get out sand. I don't know what to do with sand. What do we need? Rich dust. Holy fuck, who needs rich dust? Did I mess up something? I messed up something. Oh, who needs rich dust? Does nobody need rich dust? Oh, shit. It's a side product. I didn't know that. Damn it. Oh boy, oh boy. Alrighty, no problem. So it's a product of coal dust, rare earth element beneficiation, chromite sand. Oh, solid separator, you say. How many will we need? Solid separator. Let's say we should be able to get 2 on both sides, I guess. Chromite sand, no. This blue thing, rich dust. 25. It shouldn't be that big of an issue. Iron oxide and chromite sand. What do we do with chromite sand? Olefins chromium. We can turn it into chromium. We can turn the damn thing into chromium, which we do need. So this is using chromite sand. No, this is producing chromite sand. Aha. Yeah, no worries there, Kunuki. I think the issue's been solved, though no way to know for sure. Hold on. Just have to do regular checkups. The problem is, you know, now that they are not producing, they are not using goodies, which means that it will not suck in water until this gets empty. So until the production of the base starts, which means I start researching, we won't know if there's an issue. If there is still an issue. Okay, is this now working? Because we really need this to be working. It is working. So we are dumping Nixolid stuff. It only uses 1 every 3 seconds, so we're using 1 a second here. We're using one a second. Let's hope that's gonna unclog the issues that we have here. I mean, with the copper plates. Alright, let's move on. We can always double this thing, right? Hope so. Yeah, we can just extend the belt on the other side. Oh, how much content does this hold actually? 40k. Aha. 30k. So this is how they've done it. Well, good job. We'll see if it's gonna unclog the issue. So, plan number 2. Solid separators, you say? Where's this caravan at? Fuck. Oh! No, stop. Empty car. Oh, sweet. Well, you can go on empty cargo there. Let's hope I did not F it up completely. It has 1,000 barrels on it. Fuck. Or 500. No, this is a... Yeah, 500. Can it unload it? It can. Yeah, it can unload. Do that here, get more of them. What the heck is it all going? Oh, we were not producing it at all. Oh, okay, I get it. Singers, why don't we not get enough singers? Too much tar. Aren't we burning tar? We are burning tar. Okay, that's the issue, but okay, it's working. The issue here is this caravan will get emptied out. So we should turn it. Always have this thing in, I guess. So if output is lower than 100, you pump it in. If output is lower than 100, you pump it in. this thing is working. No, we just have to do... Get this thing. Sand. What are we gonna do with sand? How much sand do we produce? Crazy amounts. Oof. Crazy amounts of sand, you say? We're gonna store it. Buffer it more or less. Have to build a caravan. I'm not sure what this thing is. Atomic bomb. Ingredients is an atomic bomb. Special delivery. Oh, maybe you send a caravan and kaboom. Blow it up. Maybe that's an option. We'll put this one here. Did I select you? Power. We get out 2 things. We don't know how much. Yeah, well, actually, we can get 2 caravans here. One. No, actually, hold on. We get less iron oxide out. Oh, pick the damn tree. Iron oxide. Oh. Okay, that should do it. This is now working full force. Wait, does it have food? Yes. But we did bring in some of it, right? If output is lower than 100, okay, it is pumping it in. The problem is we have is bitumen. But once these things will fire up, it should work. It should work like crazy. Once the power plants fire up, because then we're gonna be using kerosene. Okay. So for this thing, we'll need more sulfuric acid. But yeah, we're gonna get rare earth oxides. We need rare earths. Oh yeah, okay, fine. Ammonia. So we need to get ammonia, which we have here somewhere in extremely limited quantities. We should probably take it from here. We need to produce more ammonia. We actually need to produce more urea. Damn it, no manure again. We need to produce more manure. This is level 3. What can we produce ammonia from? we can make urea out of blood. And we can research this thing. Meat into iron ore, guts, meat into copper ore. Oh, this is not bad. Urea from blood. Let's research this thing. You don't have to do much. Oh my god, Bodos is another plant. More shrooms! Yeah, seems like it. So we can make urea out of blood. I'm not sure if we have too much blood. We're currently, well, we do, sort of. We're currently turning that all into iron ore. Oh yeah. We do have too much blood. So that's gonna work out. Yeah, it was, but the problem is this is not sufficient. Even though I made two big, huge producers, plus there's another one up here. This is not sufficient. We simply have to produce more. It's for ammonia production. Alright, let's see if up here things are now working. It seems like they are. Yes, they are. Yeah, but to make shit we need to make food. And to make food we need to make you know what. So it's just all of these. It's not just an easy copy paste. I've actually this is additional. This is actually to support the production of these things. And up here. So this was kind of, let's say, this was kind of the setup. Then you have to bring all of these goodies in. See? So we'll just make more urea, or what the heck was I planning to do? Now I forgot. Oh yeah, we need to get a an option to make it out of blood. We're throwing away blood currently. And this will also fire up the production. The whole base will now fire up. We have some backup. So this will now kick on. Yeah, we'll start seeing this going up. Because everything is clogged up. This is not operational. Oh, wait on, hold on. this was full. Yeah, check this out. Now we have way too much blood. It's not just too much here. This is constantly working. There's an overflow of blood here. There's an overflow of blood here. Check what I've made. Oh, there's no overflow of this thing yet, because we're not researching. What about the bees? Are the bees breeding? Bees are breeding. Yeah, it is working. This is working. The only thing is wax. We are just storing more and more wax, and I don't know how to get rid of it yet. We don't have the recipes to get rid of wax. The lube. So yeah, what was I planning to do? Damn it. Oh yeah, get this thing going. So are we eating? Nixalit plate fasting. Let's see how this looks. We might have to increase the laboratory. This is how much? 1600. 1950, 2000 to 50. Yeah, we might have to increase the lab area. We could easily do it. Up she goes. Oh, was there a hole? There was a hole. It's inside. Okay, fine. Still, there's a hole. You cannot have a hole. Alrighty. Oh, we're not producing labs? That's impossible. Lab. No, we are producing labs. The laboratory. Where did I see the laboratory? Well, it doesn't matter. We are producing it. It's over here. Okay, the labs will be put down. These need to be put down first, the central ones. Until then it's not gonna work out, and we kinda have to deconstruct all of this thing. Oh, that's gonna be an undertaking. trees. Get rid of trees. Oh man, this is kind of big. I mean, going quite fast. High tech, you say high tech. Okay, let's check up here now. Are we operational? What are we missing here? Rare earth mud. Rare earth mud needs to get in here. So we just need to hook it up. We just need to hook it up. And rare earth mud is gonna be cranking. Now we have an issue, I mean, we're gonna have an issue with tailings. Tailings, we're gonna get... where are we trying to get rid of tailings? The tailings barrel. Where is the tailings pipe? Here. Oh goody. We'll set up a caravan. We'll set up a caravan. And we're gonna set up a caravan up here as well. Now, tailings. Tailings is this one. So let's set up a caravan. I'm thinking, should I put a pump in between or not? Yeah, we have to. No, we don't have to. But it's always a good idea. Okay, this is covered. There is sand. I'm not sure where we're gonna send the sand yet. Maybe we're gonna send it down here. No idea yet. Ooh, come on. I don't know, I think this is a bit too slow. This is not a fast enough sink. Yeah. So that means we're gonna speed up the sink, right? We're gonna double the sink. Plop. If output is lower than 100, we can pump it in. This is now flowing. This is now flowing. Tailings. Why are tailings not going out? Shit. Oh, okay, fuck it up. No. Alrighty. Comes out at the bottom. There's still not enough sulfuric acid. We'll have to figure out how to actually increase this production, but I'm deliberately using only half of it. We could easily go with a full one. But this is just a backup in case this is not operational. Because bitumen, yeah, we're gonna need it. We're gonna leave it. It's gonna be a slow production from start, but it should be fine. Come on, bots, where are you? Bring the thingy up. So this should now kick. Rare earth slurry. Rare earth slurry. You need to get in here. Alrighty, rare earth slurry comes out. There. This should work. Yeah, that's a full gas. We really need to increase the production of these things. We get only 50 out. I'm not sure if this is a bitumen sink or a bitumen production line. Where's the power supply? Bitumen. Tailings, bitumen froth, this is bitumen, right? Out of naphtha. Oh, that's bad. We're burning high distillates. Ooh. We also I know we're using naphtha to mine this rare stuff. But the main problem is, I mean, the main goal is to get enough fuel for these things. So we have bitumen froth, but we do not have sufficient amount of naphtha for onion. Okay. Back to ammonia. Back to ammonia. Oof. This will take a while. Did we get this done? So research is now up to almost 70 a second. A minute. 68 a minute. Not bad, but we're gonna have to move these things around. We could get the water from here. We could make this bed. Ah. For makers. So this is 6 times 1600. We really have to make the production of this research way, I mean, yeah, small parts. Are we already out of copper? No, we're not. It's actually cranking. Ah, shit. So it stopped now. Fuck you. Wait, how come this is not connected? Plenty of thirds. We have to increase this production, small parts. Not to mention that this really sucks. For now, we're just storing more and more and more. atomizer. Oh, so we'll need more atomizers to make urea. So where are we gonna do that? Where are we gonna do that? We could do that here. Cannot use the recipe yet. Let's wait. Ooh, this is getting close. We get uranium ore out. It's not gonna be that bad. So we got a new recipe for laboratory instruments. Electric engine unit. Yeah, well, 10 rubber. Ooh. And nuclear stuff. So nuclear is something that I have not never built any of it. So I'm we need complex circuit boards. So yeah, I'm completely unfamiliar with how these things work. We'll have to figure out some sort of a design, probably for nuclear power. Yeah, ammonia. Yeah. This is for ammonia. And this is for ammonia, so we're gonna put in a fluid caravan. Well, actually, no. Shit. Wrong ones. Hold on. Dang it. 5 into 4. I don't know. Let's hope this is fine. Okay, this is one. We'll see if it's gonna unclog. Plans. I need to set that pump. If output is lower than 100, it's pumping in. There's another bottleneck here, and it's the hash because we cannot put out ash. And the problem here is the splitters are not fast enough. Question mark? Yeah. And for splitters, for faster splitters, we need red circuits. And for red circuits, we still need these things. So it's gonna take a while. Damn it, we're gonna need way more of this sulfuric acid. Ah, there comes bitumen. So this should kick in now. So now that we started the research, the whole base is coming back to life. Everything's gonna start running. There's still buffers that we're gonna see on the power usage. If we use up the buffers, this is still all fine. These are not working. Yeah, there's only a couple peaking. Yeah, I've only set up this car on. Okay, so let's put you out. So, cargo. This car also soon be full. Where are we gonna send the sand to? And we have to increase this production as well. Oh wait. We're full on copper. Oh, that's good news. Don't tell me we're out of iron plates. But we're gonna have to get the better belt, I guess. This is now going full speed. Though the demand for small parts is high. Is it going up? Oh, there's a ton of them waiting. Getting the cargo. This one's getting the cargo, but it doesn't show it's going up. Oh, that's kind of annoying. It doesn't refresh. Well, it's soon gonna be on its merry way. Where will this go? Okay. Oof. Wastewater. So if the fish are working, which they are, I should get enough wastewater. Plus, if these things are working, this also make wastewater. Oh yeah, we were slaughtering fish here for fish oil. We were slaughtering big amounts of fish for fish oil. Okay, did we start up any production up here? Not yet. It's gonna take a while. Let's start making next plans. So we can get rid of all the way up to here. Then we'll need lubricants. 32 biofactories for lubricant. Oh, that's 8 a second. But we'll need a lot of these. Oof. We'll need a lot of lubricant. So if you make 40, oh boy. We can make it out of fish oil or olefins, but are we even producing olefins? Oleochemical. No, we should make it out of this thing. Oof. This will be extremely costly. And fish oil. Olefins, olefins, olefins. Residual gas. We can make olefins out of mixolith plate. Oh, hold on. And then oleochemicals. Now, oleochemicals is a different problem, right? Yeah, it is. Because we need lard for that. No, that's not gonna work out. We'll make it out of ash and fish oil. We need like 40 biofactories. Seconds 5 ash. Oh no. So this is 20. And this is 40. Where are we gonna put this thing? The ash production. I mean ash production. The fuel is derping here. Lubricant production should be somewhere in this area. We can plop it here. We're gonna plop it down here. We'll need 2 caravans. Actually, we'll need 1 caravan. And we'll need a fluid caravan. Let's plop you up here. So ash. They use the yellow belts. Oh well, we'll go with an overkill. Ah, shit. Okay. No, that's not okay. Where did I put this thing down? I need 40. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. We won't reach this. There'll be an empty copper mine soon. I forgot to put down. Okay, we can do it now since we're here. It should connect. So this is gonna be ash. Oh, there's another thing we have to do. We have to get a caravan. Oh crap. Okay, do it like that. good. It is using it up. Let's hope this will work as intended. So what was the plan? The plan was to get the caravans working. So you're gonna get ash. Main outpost. Empty. So if output is lower than 100, if output is lower than 100, shovel fill. Empty. Up. I think we are producing biofactories, I'm 100% sure. Yeah. Awesome. So this thing's gonna get built. We do want to do... Well, we're gonna extend the drone network next time. Oops. Hold on. Why was the research at 0? Uranium mining drill. Facility. We need a circuit. I made a stupid mistake, and the stupid mistake, well, actually, it's not that bad. We need an output for these things, right? Yeah, tailings. If output is less than 100, alrighty. Maybe I've done this the wrong way. Should put double belts. I mean, both sides of the belt. We'll see once the fish thingy comes. Caravan should be here somewhere. Or was it going this way? Maybe it's this one. Yeah, it's this one. Oops. What will we work on? Oh yeah, rock food. Okay, let's check if there's water again in this stuff. In the pipes. Good, seems good. There's a problem here. It's all operational. There's a problem down here. Things all good and fine. This also seems to be working. It seems that we got rid of that excess water that was in the pipes, causing issues. Okay, we will soon make more this stuff. Good, we're producing lubricants now. So here, did we make anything yet? Oh yeah, the ammonia, still waiting for that. Still don't know where we're gonna dump sand, maybe even down here, but there's a lot of caravans here full of sand. Yeah, this is filling up. How come we're producing so much nickel? I mean, the copper production is producing so much nickel, it's crazy. This is going nowhere. Is this the copper one? Crap, we've been on for 3.5 hours and yeah, we're gonna have to end it. Come on, load it up from here. Plop. This should constantly be running. And it's definitely not constantly running. This one is going way slower than this one. But if we get rid of tailings, yeah, this is the one. Wait, why aren't we filling up this fast? What's wrong? Don't tell me this was saved up. Oh. that's the case. Is it possible to figure it out from here? No. Alrighty, we're gonna end it here. Let's make a save. Well, we did make a save, but it's getting late, so I have to go to work tomorrow. Time to clean, get to bed, and well, we'll see you same time, same channel tomorrow. That's out.